Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The 2025 TVS Jupiter continues to be one of the most reliable and feature-packed scooters in the Indian market, offering a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and efficiency. As TVS refines its best-selling model, the latest iteration of the Jupiter comes with several upgrades, making it an even more compelling choice for commuters. With a strong reputation for smooth rides and low maintenance, the Jupiter has long been a favorite among riders looking for a practical yet stylish two-wheeler. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 TVS Jupiter is its refined engine. Powered by a BS6 compliant, 110cc single-cylinder engine, it delivers a smooth and efficient performance while maintaining impressive fuel economy. The latest model is expected to produce around 7.8 bhp of power and 8.8 Nm of torque, ensuring effortless city rides with adequate pickup. TVS has also fine-tuned the fuel injection system to improve throttle response, making the scooter more responsive in urban traffic conditions. The automatic CVT gearbox ensures seamless power delivery, contributing to the scooter's stress-free riding experience. TVS has always emphasized comfort in its Jupiter lineup, and the 2025 model is no exception. The scooter continues to offer a well-cushioned, wide seat that ensures a relaxed riding posture for both the rider and pillion. The telescopic front forks and gas-charged rear suspension provide a plush ride, absorbing potholes and bumps effectively. The floorboard is spacious, allowing ample legroom for riders of all sizes, making it an excellent choice for daily commuting. Additionally, the Jupiter's ergonomic design includes easy-to-reach handlebars and intelligently placed switches for enhanced convenience. In terms of features, the 2025 TVS Jupiter is more advanced than ever. The updated digital analog instrument cluster displays real-time mileage, distance to empty, and service reminders, keeping riders well informed. TVS has also introduced a Bluetooth-enabled Smart Connect system in select variants, allowing users to sync their smartphones for navigation assistance, call alerts, and more. The inclusion of an external fuel filler cap continues to be a practical advantage, eliminating the hassle of lifting the seat for refueling. Moreover, the generous underseat storage provides enough space to accommodate a full-face helmet or daily essentials. Aesthetically, the new Jupiter gets a fresh set of graphics and color options, appealing to a wider range of customers. The bodywork remains sleek and stylish, with LED headlamps and DRLs enhancing visibility and giving the scooter a modern touch. TVS has also introduced a new alloy wheel design that adds to its premium look while ensuring durability. The high-quality paint finish and chrome accents on select variants elevate its overall appeal, making it one of the best-looking scooters in its segment. Safety has been a priority for TVS, and the 2025 Jupiter comes equipped with synchronized braking technology, SBT, ensuring balanced braking performance. The front disc brake variant offers improved stopping power, which is especially useful in city traffic conditions. The wider tubeless tires provide better grip and stability, enhancing the overall riding confidence. With its proven reliability, excellent fuel efficiency, and upgraded features, the 2025 TVS Jupiter remains a top contender in the 110cc scooter segment. Whether you're a daily commuter, a college student, or a family-oriented rider, the Jupiter offers something for everyone. TVS has successfully refined an already outstanding scooter, making the 2025 Jupiter an ideal choice for those seeking a practical, stylish, and feature-rich ride. If you're in the market for a dependable scooter with a perfect balance of performance and comfort, the new Jupiter is undoubtedly worth considering.